Hey everybody, this is Vinny here with my lovely wife. She's gonna show us how she makes a traditional Filipino dessert named Halo Halo. And you can get a mix like this at an Asian supermarket like we had. And she'll explain how she makes it and all the other ingredients. And this will be my very first time trying it. Never had it before. So I'm going to see if I like it or not. Let's let her explain it.
Okay, this is a very popular cold dessert in my country. Okay, so yeah, it calls halo halo. Inside this bottle, we have red beans, coconut, jackfruit, banana, and a sweet potato.
Interesting.
Okay, so now we're gonna start making it.
All right. Excited for this.
I just bought this one, but usually I can make it on my own. But today, I just gonna make.
It's a lot easier,
faster,
more
yeah.
condensed with
But
everything.
I can make this one. Okay, so be close here. Okay, we're gonna put this one. This is the coconut and white beans. Very sweet, very sweet. See that? And then we have the jackfruit over here.
Yeah, I never had that before. Should be interesting. Yeah, definitely excited to try this.
Looks yummy, but I don't know if to you it would be yummy. Maybe challenging to you.
Yeah, well, definitely try it, see how it is.
Let's get the red beans. Okay. Red beans over there. That's the red beans.
Ah,
Then we
okay.
have the coconut, the jackfruit, and I think the white one. I don't know what's the other one there. Buko means coconut.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's all mixed here.
Interesting.
Yeah. All right.
And I know you love this dessert. She always tells me about this dessert, and so many years I never tried it. So I'm excited to try this.
You can put a lot of different thing over here. Okay, that one. Now we can put
was that the crushed ice?
crushed ice.
Yes. There we go. Some crushed ice on there. Oh, hey Toby. Toby got in the act here. Wants to see what we're doing.
That's
What you doing?
That one is
That's a lot of ice there. Yeah.
okay. Now we're gonna put carnation milk.
Carnation. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You show them the can so they know exactly what we're getting in.
Carnation milk.
Oh, okay. Evaporated milk.
Alright. So you can enough to have a milk there. Okay.
Gotcha.
Now you have it. You can put sugar if you want.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
That the sugar?
Yeah, that's the sugar. But I didn't put sugar because it seems like it's too sweet already on this. Okay? So, don't worry about the sugar. We're just gonna put sugar when... So now you have it.
Well, look at that.
Hello, hello.
That looks really interesting. All right,
So now-
here's my
Yeah.
the moment of truth here.
You gotta put it like that, okay?
All right.
Mix it all together.
Yeah. All right. Now,
You set everything first before you eat. I think I ate too much. I put too much. Screw it all together.
like this.
Yeah. I think I put too much, right?
Nah.
It's
Oops.
okay. It's okay. It's okay, Ben. Don't get messed.
All right.
Taste it a little bit. If it's not sugary, you can put sugar.
All right. Here we go. It's actually good.
Is it really?
I only can even eat to add the sugar. It's actually a little better than I thought it was going to be. I'm trying red beans.
You can mix it, everything, so that you can get all the flavor.
Mm.
The coconut, the jackfruit, the red beans.
Here we go. That's good.
It's sweet already?
Yeah, it tastes sweet.
Really?
That's really good.
It's really good?
Good.
So,
All right. There you go. Want some, Toby?
believe me or not, I mean, some people, they make more lot of banana yam.
If you want to try it, see if you think it needs more
Yeah.
sugar, but to me it doesn't. If you like it. Excellent. Yeah, it's good. I mean, look at Toby. You want some too.
Really good, babe.
Want some, Toby? Well, there you go. Pretty easy dessert to make. Just got to get the mix right. This is the mix you can get. Crushed ice, carnation milk. Yep. Well, there you go. I think it was successful. What do you think, Toby?
It's really good. You like
Very
it?
good. Very good. Well, thank you so much for showing everybody how to make hollow hollow. I know this dessert won't last too long.
Really good.
All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Click on notifications. And please share this video. Thank you so very much for watching.